back in my kitchen for another edition of the Quarantine Cooking Challenge. One of the things I love so much about cauliflower is it's a blank slate. And I have a lot of recipes for different soups and purees on my website, stacymorris.com. Today I just felt like playing around and having some fun. So this just finished sort of steam boiling. I don't submerge it completely in stock, as you can see, but I'm in the mood for something a little more exotic today. You can't see it, but somewhere in there is a fresh chunk of ginger, making that nice and aromatic. I have saved from the other day when I wanted coconut water. I skimmed the fat off the top and saved it. Sometimes you can make whipped cream with this. This is going to go in the soup and make it nice and rich in a non-dairy way. Then I'm going to add some curry powder and coriander. And you know, I don't really want a lot of heat. That's just my mood today. So it's all going to go, of course, you know it, in the Vitamix. I'll show you the end result later. But this is one of my favorite bone broths, Swanson. It has very little sodium. Let me see, because we do like to look at the labels. You can see there, sodium is 350 milligrams, which might sound high, but it's a lot lower than some other brands are double or more. And this has a nice shot of protein. Okay, sorry for the erratic camera angles. I'm doing this all myself today. Anyway, believe it or not, it's still cold up here in upstate New York. Still soup weather. So cauliflower, like I said, blank slate. It's very cooperative. Today I'm going to make a sort of a South Asian curried soup with it, and it's going to be absolutely delicious, and it's going to tickle my palate because I've been having just plain old cauliflower puree lately, and I need something different. And you got to keep yourself happy and stimulated and listen to your palate, because very often it has clues to the cravings provide clues. Sometimes they're emotionally based, but often they're physiologically designed to meet your physiological needs. So pay attention. It's all part of getting to know yourself. So that's my soup palette for today, and I will be back to show you what it looks like in the end. Here I am back for the rest of the video, round 2 for the cauliflower curry soup. As you can see, it's now a completely different color and texture, but blender beware. If you don't want your blender to turn orange, I would not blend anything that has turmeric in it, because it is literally a stain. It's very nutritious, but it's very aggressive. And I looked at my curry powder because I saw the color and I said, wait a minute, there's turmeric in that, and I was right. So I just whisked it all in here. Once it was blended in the Vitamix, again, I added a little coriander. I cooked it in a combination of coconut cream and chicken stock, and that's it. A little salt, and I'm good to go. Here's the presentation. Sometimes I like to do this. This is a little espresso cup, and just sort of looking ahead to the future when you're able to entertain. Soup like this is restaurant quality. It's dazzling, it's simple, and it makes a great appetizer. So there's an idea for when you have your company over again. Bon appetit. I hope you like this.